In this video, we are going to see three different types of filter, which are page level filter, report level filter, and visual filter. So these are very important to understand means how these filters works. Whenever we are creating any project, then we need to understand how these filters works and how to make the use of these filters effectively. We do have these visuals created in our previous videos, and now we will try to see this one by one. We can see that this is the filter window which is available here, and you can get this filter window from this view menu. If you just unselect this, then that will go that will not be visible, but if you select this, then this will be available. There are two filters which are available here, which is nothing but filters on all pages. That means this is a report level filter, and then filters on this page is nothing but this particular page filter, filter. And then when we selecting any of the visual, then it will show the filters on this visual. So let's see how this works. First of all, we will try to see the report level filter. This is the report level filter, and you can see this is the add data fields here, which is available here. You can go to any of the field we can add, and let's try to add this year field here. Now when we say year field, we added it is showing the filter type. So basically this is showing advanced filter by default, but there is a basic filtering as well, where we can select any of the year like this, and we can just select one by one year, and then that will be applied to the page of this particular all the pages. You can this is basic filtering. We wanted to go to the advanced filtering. Let's try to do that. In advanced filtering, let's see there are options which is available, where there are some operators which is given here, is less than or is than less than or equal to or is greater than or equal to. This is one condition we can specify. Let's say we wanted to see the data from is greater than or equal to from, let's say means we wanted to see it from 1980. And we can add another condition, or and or condition means if this is true or this is that true, then we can do that. If I wanted to add and operator, and we will say means the year is less than or equal to 2020, and we will just say apply filter. Now when we say apply filter, this will apply to all the pages. That means it is report level. You can see this data is filter out, and we will see it here as well, where we can see in overview as well. We can see some of the it must be showing the data for 1980 to 2020. You can say this is something which is showing the data. Here we can say 1980, and it is last is 2020. So this is how it works. So basically it applies to all the pages. This is how it works. Now I'm just removing it for now. Let's try to see filters on this page. So now if I wanted to add these filters on this page only, then how we can do this? Let's try to do that. Means this is the filters on this page, and I wanted to apply this filter. Let's try to say any country or or region. Let's try to add a region filter here. And this is again a basic filtering, where we can select different regions, or maybe advanced filtering, where we can again specify, because this is a string, there are operators are different, like contains, does not contain, start with, does not start, or it's not blank, not empty, that kind of things which have this filtering. Or maybe let's say means I will just mention as is I just wanted to see, I can manually type this as Asia. I wanted to see, and I will just apply this filter. I just wanted to see the data for the Asia region, and you can see that this chart is getting reflected, and this is the page level filters, and you can see means the other pages should not be affected by this. When we do this, it should be showing the data for all the regions. Yes, yeah, this is can be, you can see that it is showing for all the regions and all the years as well. So basically, when we apply the page level filter, then that will apply to that particular specific page only. So this is one thing which is we can do this. And now we will see the visuals filter. So let's try to do this visuals filter as well. The third type of our filter, which is nothing but, let's try to select this one chart here. When we select this chart, then you can see this is the filters, or this is the data fields which are available. Now you can see this is year is again filter which is available, region name, and then population value, female population share as well. So when out of this, if you wanted to select any of this value, we can select this. I will just select one of the operator, let's say is greater than, let's say means I wanted to say, I'm just adding one random number and will say apply filter. Now it should say means it should be whatever the value which is there, it should be after maybe 4 billion or something, which is that value. So after this is how it works, and this is just a visuals. It will not affect to other visuals as well. So this is a visual filters which are applied. This is how these three filters works, like page level filter, report level filter, and visuals filter. So page level filter will just apply to that particular page. Report level filter will apply all the pages which are available in your application, and the third visual chart is just specific to the visual. That's how we can use, and these are available means based on our business requirement we can apply these filters and make use of these filters as and when it required. I hope you have understood these filter types. If you have any questions or comments, please do let me know in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well. Thank you for watching.